Hi friends, good morning. This is Abhishek from TechVirus, and in this video I'm going to unbox and review the new model from Benq, that is GW2283. It has costed me approximately 8,000 Indian rupees, and the size of this monitor is 22 inches and effectively it is 21.5 inches, and you can see that this is IPS panel and it comes with eye care technology. And in this video what I'll do, I'll quickly unbox this device and then I'll show you what all things comes inside and how is the performance of this monitor. Alright, so these are the components which comes out of the box. The first one is the stand and the base module. So here you can see that the stand is very firm and the base module is also very sturdy. And then next we have the warranty card and this drivers, and then we have the power cable, and then we have the VGA cable. We don't have any HDMI cable which comes with this monitor. Alright, so now you can see that this is the monitor in the standing position. I have fit the stand and you can see that stand is quite stable and it holds the monitor properly, so there is no issues with the stand and it can move slightly up and down. But one thing you can notice here, that near the bezel and the screen there is a small foam which is fit inside the screen. So I'm not sure if it is a defect or it's just a design. So we'll switch on the monitor and we'll see how is the performance. So before that, let me show you the back panel of this monitor, what all ports we have. So we have two HDMI port, one VGA port, and then we have line in and line out for the audio, and using these ports you can easily connect external speaker to this monitor. Anyways, this monitor has a small inbuilt speaker as well. On the left hand side you can see that we have the port for the power adapter, and here are the buttons to navigate to the monitor menu. So on the bottom left and right you can see these small holes. So these are the speakers which are inbuilt in the monitor. Alright, so I've now turned on the monitor and I've connected my laptop using HDMI cable to this monitor, and you can see the display looks really nice and the color reproduction is quite good. And one thing I can notice, that the display is quite subtle and it doesn't strain my eyes. It has got eye care technology. I don't know what kind of technology is that, but it's give some kind of soothing effect to my eyes and it doesn't make it feel too bright or too sharp to look at it. So this is good for your office work, like for a longer period of work. This will not affect your eyes in the longer term. Now you can see that I'm playing a 4K video, like it doesn't display in 4K, it's a 1080p video, but you can see that the monitor is displaying this video very nicely. The color reproduction, the brightness and other stuffs are really good, and you can see that this is an IPS panel and the viewing angles are really good. On the right hand side, if I move the camera to the left, both the side you can see that the viewing angle is quite good, so you will not see any kind of fading from top, bottom, left or right. So this is really nice IPS panel display. Alright, so now let me try some gaming on this monitor and let's see how is the performance. So I'm trying this NFS Heat, and you can see that the screen is refreshing fast enough and there is no blur or there is no lag, what I feel as of now. So let's enjoy this game for a few minutes and see like how is the performance. Also please note that there is a haze, or the linings which is coming on the screen is due to the camera frequency mismatch with the video, and in actual the video or the game performance is really good. It doesn't give any kind of linings or any kind of distortion. It is very smooth. So just enjoy the game a little bit and see how is the performance. Alright, now to summarize this review of monitor, I would like to say that this monitor at this price range, like 8,000 Indian rupees, is quite good for your normal office usage as well as a normal gaming usage. And the eye care technology is really good, and it's one of the USP for this particular monitor. So I would suggest that if you are looking for a budget monitor, you can definitely go with this Benq monitor. With this, I would like to end this review. I hope you liked it. If you liked, please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.